Welcome back to the JJ's Declutter podcast, where fairy tales meet furiously fun cleaning tips.
And where backpacks are zipped and lockers are tripped over.
Today's tale is packed tighter than a seventh grader's PE locker.
It's Little Red Riding Hood's locker of doom because clutter doesn't skip school.
My name wasn't Clutter. After just 2 weeks of being back to school, Red's locker was scary. From crushed crackers to a missing hall pass, boy, do we have a tale of transformation for you.
And maybe a little wolf drama too. So grab your lunch tray and let's dive in.
We'll cover locker avalanches, peer pressure, perfectionism, snack explosions, and how to tackle doom without the drama.
And don't worry, no actual wolves were harmed or organized in the making of this episode.
Chapter 1, The Locker of Doom. So Little Red, also known as Little Red Riding Hood, starts middle school. New classes, new teachers, and
A new locker she forgets the combination to after using it for 2 weeks?
she finally gets it open and bam, instant avalanche.
Out rolls a crushed juice box, last week's sweatpants, and is that a ham sandwich that her mother packed in her first day of school lunch bag?
It might be its own ecosystem now. I think it blinked at me.
Oh, gross. Red's locker has become the ultimate doom box. Didn't organize, only mashed.
It is a classic case of stash and dash. She shoved the stuff in with great intentions, but unfortunately, zero follow through.
There's even a permission slip from a field trip that happened last fall. Obviously, she didn't clean out her backpack from last year. It was a trip to the planetarium. The stars already died of old age waiting. So here's a decluttering tip. Start with a locker rescue plan. Empty everything out, sort by category, and clean inside before refilling. Bring disinfecting wipes. You're going to need them. Keep a bag nearby for trash and use the clipboard or clipboard app to make a restock list.
Don't forget to check the dates on the snacks. If it's older than your school mascot's Facebook account, toss it.
And please, for the love of cleanliness, wash those forgotten gym clothes twice. So, chapter 2, Granny's advice. Red texts her granny in a panic. Help! Locker is haunted. Smells like old cheese.
Granny sends her a checklist because Granny is an organizational legend.
Honey, if it's moldy, sticky, or squeaks on its own, let it go.
And dearie, don't keep 3 pencil pouches. You only have 2 hands.
Granny suggests a weekly locker refresh, 10 minutes, Fridays, before the pizza line.
And she includes a visual guide. It's a diagram of a tidy locker with shelves, hooks, and even a mini calendar. So here's a decluttering tip. Use a locker caddy or magnetic shelves to create levels. No more stuff soup at the bottom. And you can add an odor absorber like a dryer sheet.
And label those shelves. One for books, one for personal supplies, and one for emergency chocolate. Because priorities.
That's right. Red sets a phone reminder every Friday, 10-minute locker makeover. She'll be glad she did and may even dance it out. So, chapter 3, The Wolf in the Hallway. Enter our villain. Not your traditional big bad wolf. This one is Little Red's comparison gremlin.
He struts down the hall with color-coded folders, label tape, and a planner full of stickers.
And a YouTube channel called Wolfpack Organizing Hacks.
Red feels inadequate. Her locker still smells like gym sweat and regret.
But here's the twist. When she peeks in his locker,
It's all facade. It's staged front row, and behind everything is chaos. A stack of loose leaf shame.
the moral, don't compare your middle to someone else's highlight reel, especially if it's staged.
It's like Instagram versus reality, but with binders. So here's a tip: organizing is personal. What works for someone else might not stick for you. So it's important to try different systems until one clicks.
Absolutely. So are you a color coder? Are you a bin lover? A single spiral minimalist? Find your vibe, not Wolfie's.
So, chapter 4, Red's Locker Glow Up. With Granny's tips and a few organizing hacks, Red transforms her locker.
She adds a magnetic mirror. It was a magic mirror. She adds a magnetic mirror, a dry erase board for reminders, and a snack box with actual fresh snacks.
Her secret weapon? A daily locker check. Just 30 seconds at the end of the day. That's when trash comes out and homework goes in.
She even decorates the inside with washi tape borders and a mini motivational poster.
It says, "You've got this, unless you forgot this."
Even the custodian clapped. The locker no longer wheezes when it opens.
And Red feels confident, calm, and clutter free.
She even helps a friend clean their locker and shares her system, paying it forward.
So let's go over some of Red's favorite supplies. Red swears by color coded folders: blue for math, green for science, and glitter for drama class.
She also loves collapsible locker bins. They're like little baskets of joy.
And don't forget the emergency snack stash.
Not the Halloween candy from last year, though. That's a no-go.
She also has a mini lint roller, glitter hand sanitizer, and a phone charging cord, all tucked into a zip case marked emergencies only.
Because honestly, nothing says middle school like a glitter emergency.
So we're now at chapter 5, the backpack burden. Red decides to deal with her backpack next because it's basically a mobile locker.
She dumps it out on her bedroom floor and finds 4 water bottles, 2 flashlights, and a shoelace.
Red says, "Why do I have my Halloween costume in here? It's February."
Little Red uses the 3 pile rule. Pile 1, daily use. Pile 2, occasional use. And pile 3, seriously. Why?
She also finds a note from second grade, and she's in seventh. That's a keepsake or a cry for help. So here's a decluttering tip: backpacks need weekly maintenance too. Use clear pouches or Ziploc bags for grouping items, one for pens, one for tech, one for snacks, but not from last fall.
Pro tip, keep a mini trash bag tucked inside your backpack for sudden snack wrapper outbreaks.
Well, that makes sense. So that way you don't have a bunch of wrappers floating around in the bottom that you keep forgetting. And you want to also rotate out seasonal items, because unless you plan to wear that Halloween cape year round, uh, you might not want to, but no judgment. Oh, so We realized that some kids no longer use lockers. And that's why we wanted to go over cleaning their backpacks at least once a week. But also, they really should be doing a tech tidy, or you're going to end up with digital doom.
Mhm.
And Red realizes her digital life needs organizing too. Her home tablet screen, a swamp of random apps and unread emails.
She creates digital folders, things like school apps, fun stuff, utilities. Would she have
And
one for utilities?
ah,
Maybe.
maybe. Then she unsubscribes from 3 email newsletters about llama yoga. Don't ask.
And she deletes photos of her toes. Seriously, what? Why do kids always have random feet pics? So, decluttering tip, set aside 12 minutes a week for tech tidying. And it can be your tech tidy 12. Clear your screenshots, update your apps, organize your files.
That's right, because a clutter-free device means less stress and more space for selfies with Granny.
And so here are some final thoughts, and we have a little weekly challenge for you. So this week's challenge, we want you to channel your inner red and tackle a doom spot.
Now, this could be a backpack, a purse, your car console, or maybe that one drawer we all avoid.
Use the 3 pile rule: daily, occasionally, and seriously, why? And give it a mini glow up.
And don't forget the Locker Refresh Friday challenge. Share it in our group.
Remember, perfection isn't the goal, progress is.
So until next time,
Keep it simple.
keep it intentional,
And as always,
keep
keep decluttering.
decluttering. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Keep
Oh, okay. And as always, keep
keep
decluttering.
decluttering.
So, okay. I don't know why we cannot say it's like just say it like you're saying it. So simple, keep it intentional, and as always, keep decluttering.
Keep decluttering. Yep.
So,
Oh well.
yeah, okay. Someday
Bye.
we'll get it right.